with MyFitnessPal. If you can just go to their website and then sign in, the address is at the top there. After you've signed in, head to settings, diary settings, and we've got a couple of options here. First thing we'll do, make sure that we have carbohydrates, fat, protein, sodium, and sugar. Sodium isn't always added with a lot of foods, but it does give you an idea of what sodium is in the foods that are added. Default add food view, frequent's probably the best. That way, if you are eating similar foods, then it just makes the whole process a lot easier. And this is the most important one. I want you to all change the names of your meals to meal 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so then when you open up your MyFitnessPal, it'll just be meal 1 to 5 and in the order, as opposed to having snacks, and it's a little bit confusing to see what you had when. You can also change the meal names to times if you are eating at the exact same time every time, but I don't even do that. So meal 1 to 5 is probably the best way. And just confirm that you are sharing your diary with friends. Friends or public, but only your friends will see it anyway. So yeah, just an update with MyFitnessPal. There's also heaps of cool things on here. You can see different, you can use your computer, by the way, to add in your foods and create all your meals like I have here. But also gives you some really good reports and everything. You can just change this one here. And it just gives you your nutrition with calories, carbs, and fats and everything. You can just track it. So if you wanted to get your calories consumed, screenshot for the Facebook forum, you can get your screenshot here as well. And it's just pretty cool to see on a bigger graph.